Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can post on Spotlight on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app right over here. From this section, go to this two human icon at the bottom and the right side. This is the story section, and when you go to this little video icon, this is the spotlight section. So what you're going to do from over here, you're simply going to go ahead and go to this camera icon, photo, choose a video of yours, and then you're going to go to the section of send to, and you're going to choose spotlight. Tap on OK, and your spotlight will be sent. Tap on OK again, and you're good to go. That's basically all you had to do to share a spotlight. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.